Let me start with this. Creating a coloring book to sell on Amazon may sound simple, but anyone who's actually tried it knows that's not always the case. You've got the idea, you've got the niche, and then suddenly you're stuck trying to figure out prompts, styles that don't match, characters change from page to page, and what looked easy turns into something way more complicated than it needed to be. So today, I want to show you a different way to think about this process, not cutting corners, not generating low quality pages, but using AI the right way where it actually helps instead of creating more work. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Kittl to take one solid idea and turn it into a full consistent coloring book without fighting prompts or starting from scratch every time. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, before we get started, let's go ahead and take a look at some examples of some coloring books. Now, this one is going to be within the landscape type coloring book niche. And this one specifically is titled Serene Landscapes. Now, this book in particular is a bold and easy type of coloring book. So it's going to have thick lines and more of a simple type of look. And the thing I like about these types of coloring books is that it's not incredibly lengthy. As you can see, print length is only 83 pages. And right here, we can see only 40 coloring pages overall. So once you get the hang of creating these types of books, it doesn't take a lot of time to be able to put this all together. Now here's the cover, which is essentially just an interior. And this is just a great way to create covers for your coloring books. And if we go through here, here's one page of the interior. As you can see, there are some things here going on that make me believe that this was created by AI, especially with what's going on in the tree right here. Some lines that don't make sense, especially if you're an artist. Some of these lines may or may not make sense, but that's not really as big of an issue now as it was in the past because AI has gotten so powerful that it can actually create these coloring books that look like it was hand drawn. And some more of the interiors here on the back cover. So you can see very simple landscape designs. Now this book has a bestsellers rank of $15,799. So 30-day royalties is estimated around $600 to $900 per month from Titan's Quick View. I'm sure if they priced the book a little bit higher at $9.99, they could easily make a lot more here, especially because pricing your book below $9.99 is going to cut the royalties by 10%. Now here's another example of a nature scenery type of coloring book. This one does have the #1 bestseller badge. Now this book is priced at $9.99, which is the price point that I suggest you price your coloring books at. And this one, not that lengthy as well, 109 pages. So this one has 53 coloring pages. Now this book is going to be a different style. It's going to be a little bit more complicated, as we can see right here. So it's going to be maybe a different type of buyer, but this type of book also does very, very well. You can see basically it's kind of like a grayscale type of coloring book. Here's another one right here, and some more images of the interior on the back cover. So a lot of different ways to create this type of book. Now this one has a bestsellers rank of 4,036. So that's good for 30-day royalties, anywhere from $2,600 to almost $4,000 per month estimated from Titan's Quick View. And if we take a look a little closer at this niche, here's one that I found called Adult Coloring Books, Landscapes and Scenery. Total results 737, so not too competitive here, with a niche score of 61. And looking through the books here, you have the #1 ranking, ranked at 22,000. This one is Relaxing Landscapes, 191,000, and Country Farm Scenes doing very, very well at 15,679, as well as some more landscape coloring books here, 35,000 bestsellers rank, and even this Woodland Retreat coloring book ranked at 11,000. So as you can see, a lot of examples here of books doing very, very well in this niche. Another one right here, Outdoor Landscapes coloring book ranked at 262,000. This is usually the point where things fall apart. People either overthink the prompts, struggle to keep a consistent style, or bounce between tools trying to make everything line up. And that's exactly where Kittl comes in. What I like about Kittl is that it's built for creators who want to move from idea to finished product without the headache. You're not starting from a blank canvas. You're not guessing what works. And as part of Kittl's AI design platform, it'll give you access to professionally designed templates as a starting point so you can generate an image, refine it, reuse it, and build around it, which makes it possible to take one strong illustration and expand it into a full coloring book while keeping the style, the characters, and the overall look consistent. Now, if you're not familiar with Kittl, I'll link some videos in the description below that I did in the past on their AI design platform. But what I really like about Kittl are their AI powered tools. Specifically, I really like their smartboard feature and their Kittl flows, because what you can do with it is you can turn any design, for example, something like this is a groovy DJ character, and you can transform it by using the smartboard feature into something totally different but keeps within the style of the original image. And if I go ahead and click right here, you can see the prompt right here that was used. Not that complicated. You can see person wearing distinctive yellow suit, flared legs, small pink neck scarf, adding a pop of color, and you can see exactly it incorporated all of that. And here's another example of what it can do. So when I say that you can take one image, one original image, and create an entire coloring book from just one image, this is exactly what I mean with their smartboard feature and their Kittl flows. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you today. Now, in order to get started, we're going to head over here to the left-hand side under templates, and we're going to see here a bunch of templates. So we have trending now, and these can be for all types of workflows, all types of projects, not just specifically KDP. You can literally create anything that you need for any type of creative project, for your business, for your work. But specifically for this video, obviously, we're going to work on a coloring book. So I'm going to type in coloring book here, and I notice right here it says coloring book maker, Kittl flows, and nano banana. So let me just go ahead and click that. And then here are a bunch of templates that I can see already, some of the pages showing right here that I can go through and just look for maybe a style that you like. So as I go through here, I'm going to look for a style that would go well with the type of coloring book or the niche that we were just talking about, that landscape type of niche. And I see one right here. So here's the template that I'm considering using. Looking at these images right here, I could probably change out these images, but keep in line with this theme where it's a circle. And I think this could be something compelling as a coloring book, something that people don't usually see, but it could probably stand out in the midst of all the coloring books out there. Now, going through here, you can see some similar templates, and this is just very helpful because you can see other types of books here. For example, here's another good one. These are going to be exterior homes. I see another one right here, monster truck coloring book, which I know in KDP it's a very popular niche. Unicorns, very popular niche. So just a great way to see more interiors and explore more things within this platform. Now here's the template all loaded up. Now these templates sometimes include these cover pages right here that mostly is already formatted for KDP. Obviously there are some things that need to be fixed. For example, this barcode, you don't need this when you're uploading to KDP, but it already has placement here for your title. So you can change your title here. You could type landscapes coloring book. And right here, we could type in, for example, for adults or for whoever it is. And obviously going to change out the graphics here, some more things to work on, but obviously don't have to create it from scratch. And this is just a great way to get some inspiration for this coloring book. Now looking back, what else is included? You have your title page right here. That's great. And then you have your table of contents. That's great. Now that's not all necessary. I'm really just looking for the style, which is right here, which I can then go ahead and change and modify so that I can create multiple pages that keep the same style. And so here is one of them right here. As you can see, I started to work on this already because I wanted to make sure that this would work for you guys for this video, and it in fact does. So this is the original image right here. If you click on the artboard, you have this smartboard feature. Once you click here, you're gonna get this purple line that designates that it in fact is a smartboard, and this is part of the Kittl flows. And you can see right there it says smartboard. Now once you're in the smartboard, you just tell it right here, a simple prompt. I just said beach with palm trees, and this is exactly what it came up with. And that's exactly what I want because it keeps in line with the exact style, changes the image, but it stays very cohesive, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Now if we look down here, some more pages here of the interior, some original images right here, and that's all great. And as you can see, I started to work on this. Look at all these lines. So I'm going to show you what I came up with. So I took this original image, looks like a farm, and then I made some smart boards, and this one is going to be right here inside dense forest with treehouse. And as you can see, it turned out really, really well. You can see the treehouse right there. There's a bridge. Here's a dense forest. Very, very compelling type of image. So I went ahead and did another one. This one is going to be right here on the bottom, desert sand dunes with cactus. And so you see the desert sand dunes, cactus all around. Very, very high quality. Now another one right here. This one, prairie land with wheat and cotton. As you see, did exactly what I asked. Now the next one right here, I started experimenting. So this one, I just did simple Dubai, and as you can see, all it did was it put Dubai city in the background, and it kind of merged it with the original image, which if I move this up here, you can see the original image right here, and then it put Dubai in the background. And that's a fun thing with Kittl, you can just experiment and have fun with it. This one is Miami, and as you see, it turned out really, really well. And then so here's one, rocky cliffs, looks very good. You can see the rocky cliffs in the background right there. This one, I tried the Vatican, kind of merged both images together. Kind of a cool concept. And so if I show you this real time, let's go back here. Let's go ahead and use this one right here, this image. I'm gonna click on the artboard, click on the smartboard right here, and let's move this right below. And as you can see, describe your variation with a prompt. And I'm gonna do underwater oasis. And it's only going to take a few seconds because it is using Nano Banana. And what you can do is you can actually generate multiple images at the same time. And as you can see, it took this image and it kind of kept it the same and added some things here. So I'm going to go ahead and redo it. I'm going to do Amazon jungle with vines and river. And let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. And it looks pretty good. So this is the power of Kittl. This is why I like using Kittl and these smart boards, because I can just do this all day. And all of these images that it produces keep the same style, the same theme, just variations, and I can play around with the prompts, make them complicated, keep them simple. Now the next step, once you have all your images generated and you're happy with the results, is to go ahead and save these and download them. So what you can do is you can go ahead and do quick export. You can do as a PNG, go ahead and hit export. And as you can see, there it is right there. Now I'm going to show you quickly how to line up these images so that it's formatted correctly within Kittl. Create a new project, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit inches right here. Make sure the DPI is set to 300, and I'm going to do an 8.5 by 11. So let's do 8.5 by 11 inches. So I'm going to go ahead here, add a new artboard. That's artboard number 2. Now I'm going to add another artboard, and I'm just going to go ahead and add a few more artboards here. So I added 20 artboards, so you can see right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and drag all of those images that I generated into my project, and they're all right here. So what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and place these inside of the artboards like that, and just resize it so it fits perfectly within here. Now what you want to do is you want to leave a blank space after every coloring page. This is for bleed through purposes. So I'm going to grab a random image here that I generated, go ahead and line it up like so, just like that. And I'm going to double click on the image so I can hide this bottom part right here because I don't want this. So I'm going to go ahead and hide that. And then there you go. And just complete this process for all of your images. And it shouldn't take that long. This is the manual process of it all. Now your book should look a little something like this, where you have the book belongs to page right here, followed by a blank page for bleed through purposes, And then you start off on the right hand side of the book, as you can see, just alternating that blank page with a coloring page until you have your however many pages you want. I suggest at least 40 images. I don't have 40 images here, but as you can see, in just a few minutes, I already have 20 pages total. So I have about 10 images here. And it's as simple as that to actually construct this book. All you'd have to do is go ahead here, export, make sure it's all artboards, export as a PDF, make sure 300 DPI, combine artboards into one file. You can optimize the quality, and it would be ready to upload onto KDP. So at this point, you've seen how much smoother this process can be. Instead of juggling tools, rewriting prompts, or fixing inconsistencies, you can take one solid idea and use Kittl to move from inspiration to a professional looking coloring book in a way that actually feels manageable. If you want to try Kittl for yourself, there's a link in the description down below. You can use my code JeffYT to get 25% off your first month on any Kittl plan if you're a new user. That's going to give you full access to their AI-powered design tools, templates, and everything you need to start creating professional looking coloring books without overthinking it. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.